Are you sick and fucking tired of battling? Are you sick of battling because of your finances? I've got the solution for you, and I don't know why not all of the world is doing this. This is a company which is subscription based. You pay $10 a month, US dollars, and you refer people to them. Number one, you can buy their products, health and wealth products, for a fraction of the price. And number two, if you refer people to them, you get paid for that. That is what it is. Do not tell me anymore that you are battling. Because if you can put out $49.95, that is it, and get into this business, and you pay your $10 per month, you're gonna make this money, this passive income, for the rest of your life. What more can I flip and tell you, people? Just do it. If you think everything is a scam or it's a pyramid scheme or anything like that, you need to scroll on, because this is then not for you. You have to be open-minded and you have to see the opportunity in this. Put an emoji or a yes in my comments. Let me explain to you.